In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat in Zoho. Whether you're new to Zoho or just need a little refresher, we've got you covered. In the next few minutes, we'll walk you through the simple steps to get you chatting effortlessly using Zoho Click, the seamless communication tool. First things first, to kick off our process, you'll need to log into Zoho Click. Open up your web browser and navigate to the Zoho Click login page. Enter your credentials, and once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. It's important to note that having a stable internet connection will enhance your experience and make the whole process smoother. Now you're ready to start chatting. Once you're settled in on the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find a panel displaying several options. What we're interested in right now is the Chats tab. The Chats section is the hub for all your communications, conveniently bringing together all the conversations you participate in. So click on Chats. This is the gateway to interacting with your colleagues, teammates, or anyone else you're connected with through Zoho. You'll notice that under this section there's a segment called Conversations. This is essentially a list of all the users or groups you have previously engaged with or are currently active in interactions with. With the conversations list open, take a moment to scan through the list of users. You might see frequent contacts or active group chats depending on your past activity. Now, the next step is to scroll through and select the user or group you wish to chat with. Simply click on their name and this will open up the chat window where you can start typing your message. Remember, communication is all about clarity and kindness. So, take a moment to draft your message before hitting send. This will help ensure that your communication is not only efficient but effective. Zoho Click supports various features such as file sharing, video calls and more, making it a versatile tool for both casual conversations and professional discussions. As you navigate through the platform and engage in chats, don't hesitate to explore additional functionalities that could enhance your communication experience. Customizing your settings or notifications might also prove helpful in managing your conversations efficiently. And there you have it. It's that simple to start chatting on Zoho. By following these steps, you're now equipped to communicate seamlessly on Zoho Click. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Until next time, happy chatting.